Hello to my lovely viewers, welcome to my channel Explore with Micah, Live and Love Life. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare bacalhau. Bacalhau looks like this one. It is a salted and dried codfish. This is also considered as a national dish here in Portugal. Most people call it as their faithful friend because during the time of war, crisis, and hunger, it was there to help them survive. And in the times of Holy Week, when it is not allowed to eat red meat, they can also consume this one. But most of the people here eat at least once a week of bacalhau, and most of the time it is always present in the Christmas and Easter. So I bet Cristiano Ronaldo also eat bacalhau during Christmas Day. So at least there is some similarity between him and me, eating bacalhau. At least one. One similarity. So there are 1,001 ways to prepare bacalhau, and Cristiano told me that his favorite is bacalhau a brush. Next time, if I have all the ingredients, I'll prepare it and send it to England. Next time. So what is the difference between bacalhau and the bulad or toyo in Philippines? The bulad or toyo in Philippines comes in a small sizes of fish that is air dried, but it doesn't require any preparation ahead of time. When we buy it in a supermarket and get home, we can just simply fry it. But this one, because it comes on a big size, this is around 70 to 80 centimeter of fish and weighs around 2 to 3 kg and is filled with salt. We have to prepare it ahead of time, at least 2 days soaked in water. So what is the history of bacalhau? It can be traced back in the 14th century during the exploration era of Portugal, but then it gained its popularity during 1930s when Salazar centralizes the organization of fishing activities here in Portugal to reduce foreign dependency and also to prevent people from starving. So vamos preparar! On day 1, prepare a basin and place all the bacalhau parts, and then make sure that there is enough water to soak all the parts of the fish, and then leave it in your kitchen for next day to be rinsed again. The next day, you will then notice that the water became cloudy, so you have to remove this water and replace it with a new one. Still, you have to make sure that all parts of the bacalhau are still soaked in the water. And then the next day, you can already cook or store your bacalhau as the way you wanted it. Voila, that's it! Hey guys, back again here. So now our bacalhau is already soaked for 2 days, and I'm already boiling here water so that we can initially cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, because as you can see here, the meat of bacalhau is already soft, but it's a little bit tough to eat, so we can just boil it for 10 to 15 minutes only before cooking in whatever dish you want to cook. So here, so for now I will just cook 2 big parts of bacalhau. Okay. The rest of the bacalhau, I will keep it in the freezer. So I'll just keep it here in the plastic for storage for our next meal or for the next days or weeks. So here, you can closely see how it looks like. So it's soft now. Guess our boiled eggs are now ready. I'll have to boil also this cauliflower and cabbage and potato. cauliflower and cabbage were given by our neighbors last week from his garden. Obrigado. Muito obrigado, vizinho. So here, I'll just have to remove the spines from the bacalhau. You have to really remove the spines because it's really big. See, this is a big type of fish, that's why. So this is the other one, the other big chunk that we have. Normally they don't also include the skin because it's very like gummy, this skin. So we just have to remove this one also. Now we are starting to cook our bacalhau with garlic and onion, and also add later more olive oil because it's very nice when it's dipped with oil, and also with pepper, the key. So I guess we have to add more olive oil. It's only to take the flavor of the olive oil, garlic, and onion. So not too much cooking also because we already boiled this one previously. So now we are ready to munch in our lunch. I'm so much hungry already. So here I'll have to divide this for two of us, for me and my husband. So here I'll have to put some oils also on the vegetable. It's too much nice. For me, I have to add more pepper because I like it spicy. And also on the bread. So see, I'm already hungry. Okay. I don't know if you ever wonder with the term bacalhau, because if we read it in Filipino, we probably read it as bacalhau. Because here in Portugal, they don't have the double L. Not like in Philippines that we have double L in our language, like pastillas or the family name Castillo. So, oh, by the way, hello to Paul J. Castillo. Oh, I guess we have a photo together in the hospital. You visited the pharmacy, ano? You visited an ER. So, hi to Paul Jake. Send my regards to Kay. Hi. Char. Vamos comer. Okay, let's try it. I like it with a lot of onion. It's not salty at all. No more saltiness. With potato also, it's very nice. And dip with so much olive oil. Bacalhau is my faithful friend now. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Explore with Micah, and please share it to your friends. I'll be cooking more stuffs or showing you more things about me and living here in Portugal. So, for now, ciao! Beijinho!